Let's have some understanding about their product lineup. So, Mr. Vishal, could you please tell us about your product lineup for the IMTEX 2023 and for the India market?
So I think Raghuram ji is a better person to speak about the products.
Yeah. So, basically, so far from Kyocera CTC, we started in 2015 with mostly indexable product range. In the last 3 years, we have expanded our product portfolio, which includes everything about metal cutting, that is basically turning, milling, hole making, and now solid carbide tools. In solid carbide tools, now we have whole range of solid carbide products, right from 30 micron diameter drill up to whatever. So this has been the development now. Solid carbide is a major entry into our product portfolio. That is you can say the highlight.
Mr. Raghuram and Mr. Vishal, let's talk about the trends in the machine tool industry. So, according to you, what are the trends which are dominating the Indian machine tools industry?
So in general, the Indian market on every sphere is growing. We are the bright spot on the manufacturing world. And we see a lot of 3C manufacturing coming to India with cell phones and government incentives on the electronic industry side. We are also seeing upswing on the aerospace side. So I think the market trends are very positive, and as a whole, we are very optimistic for this year and next.
As now, this would be we all are meeting after 4 years in IMTEX. So obviously, when we meet after so long period, we have the set expectations from such exhibitions. So what are your expectations from current year of IMTEX 2023?
Yeah, first and foremost is to showcase our new products. We have an eye catcher in this exhibition. It is the mobile phone. So today we are equipped with the tools which goes into manufacturing of electronic components. So this is something we would like to showcase apart from the new products in indexable products like turning, milling and hole making. So that is what we would like our customers to know, the takeaway from this IMTEX.
One more curious questions that I would like to ask. How's your company enabling the manufacturers to stay competitive in such a competitive world?
Yeah.
Basically, we are offering innovative products which can work at high cutting speeds. So basically, by using our products, our customers can get the benefit of cycle time reduction, so they can produce more with the same machine, and also they can increase the productivity. So these will be the takeaways from the customer. So by increased productivity and reduce cycle time, the cost of manufacturing will come down. So that is what we would like customers to understand, and that is what we will put our efforts to make them understand. So that is the...
Would you like to add something?
Sure. So we believe within Kyocera CTC and CTC Precision that when the pace of change inside the company is greater than the pace of change outside, we'll be able to not only cut cost, we'll be able to come out with very innovative products which add value at customer front, not just on cost, but also on quality and productivity as a whole.
Now, lastly, I'll not take much of your time. Yeah, please.
Japan.
Oh, lovely. Thank you. Nice.
Nice to meet you. You can also ask him.
So, Kyocera, Kyocera CTC, if I may say, it's more of a R&D driven company. So, tell us about your R&D driven activities which are beneficial for the Indian manufacturing sector.
Of course, it's not only for the India specific market, but we developed a product to help the customers, especially for the innovations. And our product is that the product itself is a product, but we are selling the solutions. And I think this CTC and Kyocera India will provide a solution to the customers. Yep.
Now, lastly, what do you think about the Indian machine tool markets, and specifically, what are the plans for this for India in terms of your investment or in terms of expansions, in terms of products, if you would like to tell?
So I think we are expanding in all fronts. There is immense amount of investments lined up starting beginning of this year, where we invest heavily in precision solid carbide tool, almost quadrupling our capacity on that front. Also on the standard product lines, the capacity will gradually increase over the year.
Would you like to put some numbers to your capacity additions and your expansions in terms of investment? Because we love the numbers.
Quadrupling. No,
That's
I think on the solid cutting tool side, it's quadrupling the capacity. So I think that would be a good indication on the volume of increase. And I think we'll come out with numbers as we move along through the years.
But what about your current capacity utilizations? Are we utilizing at the core, or still you see there is a chance of, that meeting that 100% capacity utilization?
So the demand has gone up now, so that's the reason we are enhancing the capacity. The electronic component industry, which started maybe 2 years post-COVID, so that there is a huge demand, and we are also able to see, every day you find this news in the media about the manufacturing shifting from China to India. So this, I think, is going to be the next big change in the market. So far, cutting tools was more dependent on automotive segment. So this is going to change gradually. So what used to be like 80% automotive and 20% is non-automotive, that will gradually shift to maybe 60% automotive and 40% automotive in the next 3 years. And then it will, with the electrification, that 60 will further shrink, and it will be more of non-automotive, maybe not ICE engine, but automotive with EV. So this, I think, is the trend going further, plus the electronic component. So this will be the two major things, EV and electronic component. This is going to be the future in the next maybe 3 to 10 years. That's it's emerging now. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Any last word from you?
No, so I think we are meeting at IMTEX after 4 years. We have very positive vibes. We are looking forward to welcoming our existing customers and new customers to come and see what we have to offer for the Indian market. So thank you for giving us an opportunity to talk about our company and our products.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much.